Hi everybody, it's me, Becky. Hello. We're here today to do a little laughter workshop. Okay, just because firstly, we all need a bit of laughter in our lives at the moment, I think. Am I right? And secondly, because sometimes when we're in a show or we're preparing for a character, we might need to pretend to laugh at something or laugh less or more than we want to at different levels. So what we're going to do is a really basic version of just different levels of laughter, and we can practice it for what we might need for our theatre skills in the future. Okay, perfect. So first of all, we're going to do something similar to what you do with Ruby, like we always do, which is a bit of a warm-up. So we're just going to shake everything out like you made a jelly, and all anxiety, tension out there. Fabulous. Okay, and then secondly, because we're going to be using our faces, so lots of different facial expressions today, we're going to do a facial warm-up. But instead of using our hands, because we're trying to stay safe and stay clean and not touch our face as much as normal, we're going to try and do it without our hands, okay? So first of all, we're going to warm up our mouths. So you can make it really big, really small, move it left and right, just stretch out a bit, really big, really small, whatever you think. So a bit like this. Yeah. Like that, just get it all nice and loose and warmed up, okay? Then we're going to do our nose and our cheeks. So just lots of little, like you're sniffing for something. Get your cheeks nice and high. Perfect. We're going to move up to our eyes, okay? So we can do one eye open, one eye closed. We're going to alternate that, one or the other. Lovely. Then we're going to squeeze our eyes together really, really tight, like that. Perfect. And then make them really, really wide. That's great. One more time. Really, really tight. And really, really wide. Fabulous. I'm going to move up to our eyebrows, and I'm not very good at this, okay? But we're going to see if you can jiggle your eyebrows around. I can't really do it very well at all. But yeah, it works a forehead as well. So up and down, and we can do cross eyebrows, surprised eyebrows. Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to go back down. So go our eyebrows again, and then our eyes, and then our noses and our cheeks, and then our mouths. Okay, amazing. So I don't know if while you're sat at home and you're thinking about us doing some laughter and trying to be funny, if maybe you've got something you could grab, like maybe a silly pair of glasses, or maybe a beautiful wig. I don't know, something like that. No? Or maybe even just a hat. Okay, I'm going to go with the hat. Yeah, there we go. Very fetching. Now, you don't have to, but if you've got something there at home, something silly that you can put on that might make you feel a little bit funnier, why not put it on? Okay? So first of all, with our laughter workshop, we're going to start by doing 3 different smiles, okay? So we're going to do 3 different levels of smile. So our first smile, number 1, just a little smile, like, just like that. Yeah, okay, so maybe you're walking down the street and someone says hello and you say, well, you just do a little smile. Lovely. Number 2, I'm just going to do a little bit bigger. So it's maybe some teeth in this one. So, yeah, just like that. Perfect. And then number 3, and a really, really big smile. So like you're having your picture taken with your family. Okay, so cheese, so big cheeks, big teeth. Yeah, a really big smile. Perfect. So I'm going to do them again. Okay, so our first smile, just a little one. Yeah. Number 2, a little bit of teeth. Excellent. Number 3, really, really big one. Yeah, excellent. Okay, that's brilliant. So now we've done those, we need to put those smiles, those different kinds of smiles, with different kinds of laughter, because you have different kinds of laughter for different things, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to think of that. So for our first smile. Just need a little laugh, don't we? Because our mouth's closed, it's going to come out through our nose. So we're just going to breathe in, and it's going to come out through your nose, but you see what sound it makes. A bit like this. See? So just a little chuckle to go with your little smile. So one more time. Perfect. Number 2, a bit bigger, so it's going to come out through our nose and our mouths this time, but we're just going to go. Okay, yeah, brilliant. One more time. Amazing. So then number 3 is our really, really big one. We'll take a really deep breath. Okay, for that last one as well, you might want to get your shoulders involved, or you might want to walk back and forward. I don't know, we'll try it one more time, ready? Okay, brilliant. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put them in context. So when you're thinking of those 3 different smiles, you want to think of something a little bit funny for the first one, a little bit funnier for the second one, and for something absolutely hilarious for the first one. Might be something like a standard joke, like, what's brown and sticky? A stick, I know, right? Might be something funny your pets have done, your animals. Might be a funny story that your friend told you. But you want to be thinking of those things. And first one, for our little smile, we're just going to think of something that's a little bit funny, like a little bit of a chuckle. So just something not too funny. Ready? So 1. Okay. 2. Little bit funnier, maybe a dad joke, something silly that your dad said, perhaps. Okay. Teeth, remember this one? Okay, perfect. And then the third one, which is going to be the most hilarious thing you've ever heard in your life. Okay, so we're going to take a deep breath in. Get your shoulders involved again one more time. Okay, that's brilliant. In fact, I think if I listen closely enough, I think I can hear some of you guys laughing, and it sounds brilliant. But what you could do is maybe in the comments of this video, or perhaps on our Animate Facebook page, you could tell us what joke it might have been, or what silly story that you were thinking about when we were doing our laughter. Or maybe even better, you could do a video of yourself doing your laughter, and we can see how well you've been doing. Okay? That sounds like a great idea, and I can't wait to see you soon, maybe see some of your videos or hear some of your silly stories. Okay? But take care, stay safe, stay home, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for the laughs, guys. Bye.